Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Now, as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a back to school clothing video. Now, this outfit video is a little bit different from any ones you might have seen on my channel in the past. This video is definitely channeled more towards online back to school or doing school from home. These are a bunch of my go-to outfits that I'll definitely be wearing for my back to school season that are super comfortable, but you know, you're not in PJs all day, which is very tempting, I know, to stay in PJs all day long during all of your online classes, but sometimes getting ready in the morning and getting a cute outfit on that is super comfortable just kind of gets you motivated for the day. And especially for me, getting ready in the morning, you know, and still having a bit of a routine, it does start off my day a lot better. So I thought I'd do this video. So I'm going to be showing you guys 5 back to school outfits that are perfect for your online or at home classes where you can just be super comfortable. So if you want to see 5 perfect outfits for online back to school, just keep on watching. Alright, so this first outfit is definitely the most casual one and also the comfiest. So I'm wearing this maroon sweater from Urban Planet, and I'm also wearing these like sweatpant joggers from Urban Planet as well. These didn't actually come as a set, but the color matches perfectly, so I kind of wear them as a set. But you can do this with any different sweatsuits. Like if you have a black hoodie and some black sweatpants, you can pair them up. I find the monochromatic looks a little more put together than just any color sweats and hoodie. And I think the maroon is really cute. And this is perfect for just doing your classes at home because it's super comfortable. And yeah, I love this outfit so much. Next outfit is definitely the most dressy out of them, but it's still super comfortable actually. So I'm wearing this pair of skirts from Garage. So they are like a skirt in the front, shorts in the back, so they are super comfortable. They're a very nice stretchy material. And then I'm just wearing this white turtleneck from H&M. I find turtlenecks look a little more put together, but they're still really warm and comfortable. So I do like this outfit a lot. It definitely is more on the dressy side, but because of the materials, it's a very comfortable outfit that I can sit in doing classes all day. And for all these outfits, I'm just wearing very minimal gold jewelry, just these little gold hoops, and then this little gold necklace with my name on it. Very simple jewelry. Alright, and then for this next outfit, I'm wearing these leggings from Dynamite. Now they have the zipper on the side and they're very high-waisted, but they have a really nice stretch to them, so again, super comfortable. And then I'm wearing this orange turtleneck also from Dynamite. Now I find adding a pop of color just makes it look a little more put together. It makes me feeling better for the day when I have a bright color on, and I love this outfit. Again, super comfortable, and it's 2 pieces that you can definitely dress up, but because of the materials, it makes it super easy to sit in all day, and it's still really comfy for at home. Now you can definitely make this look a little more casual by wearing a sweatshirt instead. So I have this Champion one right here, and having one with a bit of design to it will also dress it up a little while keeping it very casual, if that makes sense. So I love big sweatshirts like this, especially for studying at home, just because they're nice and comfortable and warm, and they're not tight or anything. And then the pants, again, same pants, super comfortable. I'm obsessed with these. Now, if you prefer jeans instead, you can definitely swap the leggings out for jeans, and these are very stretchy, comfortable jeans. I would definitely recommend a pair of comfortable jeans opposed to very stiff ones. And then if you want to dress it up even more, you can add a belt. Like if you're heading out for a bit of the day, you can add the belt and then take it off when you get back home. But a sweatshirt and jeans is a really easy way to go. And then for the last outfit, I have the same jeans and belt on, and I'm just wearing this little crop tank top from Dynamite. I love this top just because it's super comfortable and very, very simple. Now you can wear any tank top, any color you want. This is a very go-to look for me, tank top and jeans. And then adding a cardigan if you're cold throughout the day. I love these types of outfits if I'm sitting at my desk all day, just depending on the time of day. If I'm colder or hotter, I can take the cardigan off or on. And this one's from Susie. I love that it has the little bell sleeves. I think it's super, super cute and it's so comfortable. I definitely recommend a long cardigan like this as we move into the colder weather. You can just layer on with anything and just makes for a very nice look. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know if you want to see more back to school stuff here on my channel. I already did a back to school makeup tutorial, so if you want to check that out, it will be linked in the description box. I also will be uploading a back to school hair video very, very soon. Once it is, I'll also link that in the description. But anyways, I hope you're having a fantastic day, and whenever you're watching, please subscribe if you haven't already. And also make sure to turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And yeah guys, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.